In this video, we will prepare this lovely looking pumpkin and cook this delicious curry. We are also using some kidney beans with pumpkin, and after cooking we'll use it for the breakfast. So pumpkin curry with kidney beans and the rice is very good for the breakfast, dinner or even lunch. First of the things you need to do is take the skin off of the pumpkin and some inside unnecessary things. Cut them into the pieces, not very small pieces, and prepare kidney beans. We have soaked these beans into the water overnight. We're also preparing rice parallelly because we are going to eat this curry with the rice. Nothing fancy. You don't need a very skilled cooking experience. So this is kidney beans and this is pumpkin cut into the pieces. They're ready to cook. So pressure cooker is ready, fire is on. We'll use mustard oil later on. So we are also cooking, preparing some morning tea. So this is mustard oil from our own farm. Tea is being ready, some sugar into it. Okay, so now the pressure cooker is very hot. You can see the smoke coming out from the oil. You can use some red chili before putting the pumpkin into the cooker. We're not using chili this time because we don't want the hot flavor into it. So directly pumpkin into the hot oil, and after that kidney beans. They do have a bit of water already into the plate, or into a level of moisture. So during this process some level of water comes out from the recipe. So turmeric powder and the regular salt. You also need to use some kind of a masala, whichever you like. So we have used coriander powder and cumin seed powder, which is very much regular masala in Nepal, or let's say in Indian subcontinent. And a bit of water, not too much, because we are using pressure cooker. We don't need a big volume of water. So you can see some bubbles coming out from the water. So a bit of oil and a bit of color of pumpkin itself, and then turmeric powder we have used. So we're cooking rice and the curry parallelly because we are eating just rice and pumpkin curry as a breakfast. There you go. It's almost done. It's nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Chop the pumpkin, heat the oil, fry them, put some masala and cover the lid. A pressure cooker will do the job. The food is ready. Rice is ready now after about 10 to 12 minutes. And this is your pumpkin and kidney beans curry. Very fresh, warm. You can see steam coming out from the fresh food. And you can have additional dal, additional chutney, additional green salad while eating them. But if you are in a rush, this is a very good curry because it's not very dry and it's not watery like dal, right? So it's mixed between dal and very much fried vegetable curry. Mix very nicely with the rice, and this is your start of the morning. If you want to cook very fast food. Probably pumpkin kidney beans, cooking, and some rice might give you a very nice start. Thank you very much.